It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better. Yeah. This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah. You better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself, baby, baby. Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard.
Hey, welcome back to my channel, beautiful people. It's your girl Mary K. Bella. A while ago, I showed you guys how to do extended locks and I used Bobbi Locs new locks. Well, I did the same thing today, but only I used their Bae Locs. I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on the hair. I was able to do this install, including the extension part, in less than an hour. It was like 53 minutes or something like that. That's like unheard of for extending locks. But I kind of switched up my method this time around. If you guys have not seen the first method that I used for the colorful Bobbi Locs new locks, make sure you check out that video so that you know what I'm talking about. So I won't go into that method. This method that I use, I really, really like it. It seems to be quicker and it seems to be just as efficient and effective. And I used 6 packs of hair for my initial install. I kid you not, like 10 minutes, my initial install was done. Then I started to extend them. So the extending part took about, I say about 45 minutes. And in each of those packs, you have 2 accent locks. So they have a gold series where it's wrapped in gold at the bottom. And then they have these colorful ones as well. So you have that. Before extending them, I was so like, oh, this is cute. I almost didn't even want to extend them, to be honest. I did not even want to extend them. But then I was like, what in my vision is not going to be complete if I don't do what I set out to do. Because, you know, if you don't do what you set out to do in this lifetime, are you really doing the things that you're supposed to do? Because only you can do what you're supposed to do. Everybody else can't do what you're supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? That's a word for somebody. So I decided to go ahead and extend them, and they are as bad as I thought they were going to be. Bad as in good. Y'all, there are guitar picks everywhere in this house. They also have 12-inch locks available as well. You know what I would like to see? I would like to see a 10-inch. And some of you might be like, well, that's really close to 12. There's a difference. I did use an illusion individual braid pattern. You know, that's my stuff. I would probably never do individuals again unless I'm just doing a style where I have to do individuals. Then, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? Gotta do what you gotta do. But I don't see it happening. It's very natural, which is wonderful because I love that about these locks. But with that being said, it's going to stick. So, you know, it's not enough to bother me, to deter me from doing the style, because it gives me the look that I'm going for. And I do realize that when you are doing styles like this and you want it to be a certain look, sometimes that happens. I feel like I gotta tell y'all something. Oh, some of these locks, I like started off with one color and led into another like this one. There's a lot of different ways that you can finagle these, honey. It just depends on how extra you want to be. How extra do I want to be today? Mildly, somewhat, extremely, over the top, or the most? Yeah, I think I'll go with the most today. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the most. Let your style flow, sisters, far and wide, as far as the mind can see. Ooh, you see what I did? You see what I did right there? I'm telling you, it's all about the mind. So, yes. If you guys have any questions, make sure you let me know. Let me know you stopped by. Thank you guys for all the comments. Y'all are so amazing. Who finna be extra with me? Bye.